This is H4 time frame of gold. After this bearish trend from 1877 to 1753, price is making this rising wave chart pattern. When you draw fib retracement based on price action, you draw from 1877 to 1753. But when you draw based on Elliott wave theory, you draw from 1877 to 1761, because this is possible ascending triangle chart pattern. On first attempt, it successfully tested 50% retracement at 1890, and last week it made double top, but after New York session it break off 50% retracement, and now price is above 50% but below 61% retracement 1833. It has retraced 61% based on price action retracement at 1829. There is not a big gap between these two fib retracement tool. After 1829, the next is 1833. But there is a difference between both retracement and our 1834 horizontal resistance. So everything depends on this 1830 resistance zone. Price can make resistance here and continue its bearish trend. If 1834 level breaks and price goes much higher, then it would be trend reversal. If price came back again below 1800, then you can expect this is a valid chart pattern and new impulsive wave after this chart pattern correction has been started. There is no fixed rule price make 50 or 61% retracement, but this entire region from 50% to 61 is our resistance zone, and this is last selling zone for seller. To get more information for downside target below 1800 and upside target above 1834, we will go to daily time frame. On this daily time frame, these are your support and resistance level. For last complete year, price make sideways range. In every news side, price will go $2000 again, but now everyone is saying 1500, or some are saying 1400 price, because in 2020 central banking policy was different and price goes straight up like a vertical line, and in 2021 central banking policy changed from money printing to not printing. But this year 2022 central bank policy will change, and this policy will be bearish for gold. All of these are your static support and resistance, and price is trading inside a narrow range between 1765 and 1834. If 1834 breaks, then our next target is this trend line tested 6 times. So this trend line is a strong resistance zone. If this resistance zone break, then you can expect $2000 price again. If this resistance zone does not break, then 1560 gold price is coming this year. Bank are predicting fourth quarter, the December of this year, but you can expect in next 6 month price going 1600. Last year price started at 1959. Since then it tested this upper trend line multiple times, and we keep making video for gold since beginning to end of the year, and you support every video. Today is first day of new year, so happy new year and thank you so much for your support. Last year for gold was sideways range and this year it will break out and maximum time is next 3 months because among investors there is a speculation that Fed will raise interest rate in March. That is extremely bearish for gold for fundamental reason. That is why every investing bank is now predicting 1500 or 1400 gold price for this year. On this daily time frame, you have 1834 horizontal resistance which will not change and this upper trend line which a dynamic trend line which give you different resistance every day. If price goes above 1834 or this upper trend line, then it will be trend reversal and it will only happen if inflation and coronavirus goes out of control. If 1834 resistance does not break, then first nearest target on this time frame is 1765 and last target is 1557. If we consider on this time frame 1453 when hedge fund take their first entry for money printing policy, then 1677 when they take their second entry for money printing policy and they exit at 1959 exact 1 year ago. So these two horizontal support 1453 and 1677 are buying level for hedge fund. If price retest or goes below this level, then you can expect hedge fund has sold their gold which they buy during coronavirus. So ultimate support is 1453. It cannot go below that level in next 6 months. It is only possible all the people in every country who buy gold against money printing policy sold their entire gold position. Price cannot forever trade between 1765 and 1834 range and this month it will break this range either upside or downside, but fundamental are predicting downside breakout. If you apply Elliott wave theory on this daily time frame, then this is our triangle chart pattern. A new wave started at 1877 after wave E. This drop from 1877 up to 1753 has made 61% retracement. If price make top near 1830 resistance zone, the next bearish target will be 100% at 1706. So based on Elliott wave theory and this new wave before 1680 our next target will be 1700. If this upper trend line does not break, then after breakout of 1680 the first target is 1566, 100% projection. There is a total $300 price length and it has 6 months of time frame. It need reason to make sideways correction or counter trend zigzag correction. When we go to a monthly time frame, our resistance is 1912 and 1921 and support is 1560 and this bottom was made when last time Fed raised interest rate. This bullish trend was profit taking and this wide sideways correction because gold was cheap and this bullish trend was trade war started by Trump. For ordinary people it is trade war, but for investor it was attack on globalization. And that trade war is now increasing inflation in every country. Because inflation in every country had one of the three reasons and they are money printing, higher oil price, and supply chain disruption, which was started with trade war. So investors were buying 2021 inflation is 2019 before coronavirus. If all of these people dump gold at the same time from 1046 to 1680 because of new central banking policy, then it can go up to 1560. If you see economic calendar for this week, our news start from 4th January. First is CFTC positions, OPEC meeting. OPEC is important for oil trader, but oil is engine for inflation and inflation drive gold. So it is important for gold trader and ISM manufacturing data. So this week you have multiple news FOMC minute and last on 7th January Friday non-farm payroll NFP. So this week investors have multiple reason to review their position and it will reflect at 1830 resistance zone.